Alright, so we're out here today. We're going to do a little punch out test of this tomoquads Sonic GT 2.5 inch. It's got the Rotorex 1107 7600 kVs. I'm using a race day quads, 450 milliamp hour 3-cell. I don't normally use a 450 on this, but my 550s are charging right now, so because I just got done flying this thing. And then the gemfan 2540 props. So alright, let's check this out. Holy shit. Uh-oh. What was that? Holy shit. It was so much power, it fucking ripped the prop right off the motor. That prop wasn't even like cracked or broken or ever even crashed or anything. That is insane. It just split it in half. Oh my god, I can't believe that shit. The other thing too is it was beeping like it had a low battery, but the battery was charged, so I must have a... Actually, I really don't know why it was doing that, because I literally just got done flying this thing with a 550 milliamp hour, and it didn't do that beeping thing. I wonder if this is a bad battery. It's got to be, because it flew fine 10 minutes ago on a 550 milliamp. Man, that was crazy though. It just split that freaking prop in half. I've never seen that happen before. That's some crazy ass shit, man. Damn. Well, at least we got like one little punch out test. This thing is a screamer. You saw that shit. It's crazy. Love it. Alright.